Hi, I'm Joyce, the Energy Lady. I'm going to teach you a couple grounding techniques. Oftentimes people talk about, why do I need to be grounded? Why do we get grounded? Well, I'll tell you when you get ungrounded. Sometimes you get ungrounded when you're staring at a computer all day long. Or you get ungrounded when you're scared, when someone scares you or you get afraid of something. You get ungrounded when you get confused or if you've lost things. When you lose things, that's a really good indication that you're not grounded, okay? Like if you lost your keys, you lost your wallet. Stop, ground yourself, because guess what? It'll help you find it. So here's some grounding techniques that are really helpful and useful to do. I do this throughout the day, but if somebody cuts you off on the road and you kind of take your breath and get scared, ground yourself, even while you're driving, okay? So here it is. Left 2 fingers under the nose and right hand back here behind the neck. You're going to put the tongue on the roof of your mouth, and I can't do that and talk. So put the tongue on the roof of your mouth and breathe in through the nose and then breathe out through the nose. And you're going to do that 3 times. The next one is left thumb on the right earlobe and right thumb on the left earlobe. This is called super brain yoga. Now you can choose to do squats or you can just do this and breathe, okay? So you're going to do the same thing, tongue in the roof of the mouth, breathe in through the nose and out through the nose, okay? Third grounding exercises is the right arm over the left and then the left foot over the right, and then breathe. So with each of these, breathe 3 times. Inhale once, exhale, inhale once, exhale. Do that 3 times, okay? If you'll do that throughout your day, you're going to feel much more in your body. There's also grounding exercises where you get a walk in the grass barefoot. It's a great way to ground yourself. Hug a tree. We get grounded in nature. That's why I'm out here, because I love nature. But those are some 3 exercises you can do in your office. You can do in your car. You can do wherever you're at. You can do it at the gym. So anytime you feel off balance or you're not all there, stop and ground yourself.